field converges at a point at the origin whose magnitude is represented by E is equal to 100 R Newton per Coulomb, where R is the distance measured from the origin. Total charge contained, okay, we have to verify various part, okay. So first of all, if I consider this coordinate system, okay, x and y, okay, and there will also be z axis, but let me consider x and y for the time being. The total lines of forces converges at the origin, okay. So if lines converge at the origin, it means that there should be a total negative charge at the origin, okay. It may not be a single charge, but the resultant of all the charges should be negative, okay. So the option number A is correct. The total charge contained in any spherical volume with the center at its origin, okay, with the center as its origin, like this center, okay, it will be a negative, okay. Let us see the option number B. Total charge contained in any spherical volume irrespective of the location of its center will be equal to negative. If I draw a sphere somewhere over here, okay, with the center not equal to the origin, okay, still the lines of forces converge at this point. If I extend this lines, still the lines of forces converge at this point, okay, at the origin. So there will still be negative charges along this point, okay. So option number B is also correct, okay. If I consider option number C, the total charge contained in a spherical volume of the radius 3 cm with its center as the origin will be equal to magnitude, okay, and there are two options given, either C or D. If I see the option number, if I see the formula for electric field intensity within a closed path, it will be equal to Q divided by epsilon naught. So since we have, by Gauss theorem, okay, since we have to find out the total charge, Q will be equal to epsilon naught times integration of E into ds. Now E into ds, ds is the small area, okay, ds is the small area. If I consider a sphere of radius r, okay, if I consider the sphere of the radius r, the area over here will be equal to, the area over here will be equal to, the area will be the curved surface area of the sphere, which will be equal to 4 pi r square. So when I differentiate it, dA will be equal to, dA over here will be equal to 8 pi r dr, okay, it will be equal to 8 pi r dr, okay. So instead of dA or ds, that is same, okay, the area over here can be written as 8 pi r dr. So epsilon naught, this is written as 100 r into 8 pi r into dr, okay. I will integrate this part, okay, I will integrate this epsilon naught 100 into over here, it will be equal to 100 into 8 pi will be constant. The integration of r square, this is integration of r square, will be equal to r cube divided by 3, okay. Basically it will be equal to r cube divided by 3. The limits will be from 0 to r, okay. Now let us substitute the values. It will be equal to epsilon naught. Now I can write this value as 2 into 4 pi epsilon naught into 100 into r cube divided by 3. Now the value of r is equal to, the value of r is given as 3, the value of the radius is given as 3 centimeter. So basically it will be equal to 3 into 10 raised to minus 2 the whole cube divided by 3, okay, divided by 3, okay, the whole cube divided by 3. So basically it will come out to be, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is equal to 9 into 10 raised to 9. So 4 pi epsilon naught will be equal to 9 into 10 raised to 9, or 1 upon 9 into 10 raised to 9 into 10 raised to 2 into, over here it will be equal to 27 into 10 raised to minus 6 divided by 3. So if I cancel out these terms, 9, 27 and 3 will get cancelled out, 9, 27 and 3 will get cancelled out. The total charge will be equal to 2 into, this will be equal to 10 raised to, when I take 10 raised to 9 in the numerator, it will be equal to 10 raised to 9, 10 raised to minus 15 plus 2. So it will be equal to 10 raised to minus 13. So the total electric field intensity at a distance of 3 centimeter should be actually equal to 2 into 10 raised to, it should be equal to 2 into 10 raised to minus 13. So option number C will be correct. So the correct answers are option number A, B and C.